Hello, dear ones. If you're here, it's because, just like me, you're seeking an effective solution for signs of aging and skin imperfections. Today, I want to share with you my journey with Revisil and how this product has revolutionized my skincare routine. Since turning 40, I've been searching for products to help me maintain radiant and youthful skin. Unfortunately, over the years, I began to notice the first signs of aging, such as fine lines, dark spots, and even some persistent acne scars. My self-esteem started to be affected, and I was determined to find a solution that truly worked. That's when I discovered Revisil. Upon reading about its natural formula and the incredible benefits it promised, I was immediately intrigued. The idea of healthier skin, with closed pores and free of imperfections, was exactly what I needed to regain my confidence and feel good about myself again. After deciding to try Revisil, I couldn't be more satisfied with the results. From the first application, I felt my skin more nourished and revitalized. The dark spots began to fade gradually, and the wrinkles and fine lines became less visible with each passing day. What impressed me the most was the texture of my skin after a few weeks of continuous use. It was visibly smoother, with less visible pores, and that feeling of firmness that I thought I had lost returned. Additionally, the acne scars that bothered me so much began to fade away, giving way to a more even and radiant complexion. My self-confidence increased significantly as compliments about my appearance became more frequent. Friends and family noticed the difference and didn't hesitate to ask what my secret was. Revisil has become an essential part of my skincare routine, and I can't imagine my life without it. If you, like me, desire radiant and youthful skin, don't wait any longer to try Revisil. Its natural and effective formula is all you need to transform your skin and regain your confidence. Don't let signs of aging and imperfections affect your self-esteem. Try Revisil today and discover the incredible benefits it can offer to your skin. Click the link below to get your Revisil now and take the first step towards healthier and more radiant skin. Don't waste any more time and invest in your beauty and well-being with Revisil. Your skin deserves this special care.